Hey guys, OneManOneCamera. Today is Saturday morning, August 15th, I think. I didn't check. About 90 degrees in the morning, 7:45. It's already hot. Oh, hang on a second. There we go. And I'm on Paradise right now. The corner of Paradise and actually Hard Rock, which is probably going to change to Paradise and Virgin. So let's take a spin around the Virgin Hotel, see what's going on. Also, as we're going down Paradise, we'll just see what's down in this area. Over there is Flamingo way down there, okay? And Future Hotel, then blah, 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 some closed building, and so on and so on. To the left is the Embassy Suites, hard to see in the sunshine, but there it is right there. And next Embassy Suites is the Red Rock Hotel. No, Red, what's it called? The Red something? The Red Roof, sorry, the Red Roof Hotel. Now I stayed there once for about 3 weeks or a month before, and actually it was not that bad. The downside is it's kind of a long ways from the strip. It was pretty cheap, maybe like 30 bucks a night or so. No resort fees, nice staff. You know, rooms are clean, had a little microwave, I think a little cooking area for one fry pan or something like that. So it's pretty cool anyway. All right, so now the Virgin Hotel is to open. It says fall of 2020. Pardon me. I just checked and it says they want to open on November 6th, 2020, which is just, what's that, 2 months away? August, September, October, 3 months away or so. And so we'll see what happens. And here is Red Roof Inn. Yeah, cool little place actually. I enjoyed staying there. I really did. Nice staff. They got the water going way too much. Kind of on my feet, thank you for nothing. And next to that is a place called Centerfolds. I went in there once, and it says they're open 24 hours a day, right? I went in there in the daytime. It was like the cashier, whatever the lady was, looked at me like, why are you here so early? So I wanted to see what's going on in here, my first time in town, or whatever I told her. And so, but they had no dancer, so I left. Anyway, just a little small story, my daytime wanderings. So here we are across from the Virgin Hotel. There's some work going on way down there. Oh, in case you're wondering also, just to the, across the street from the Virgin Hotel, a shopping plaza called, I don't know what it's called, but they have, it's called Paradise Esplanade. CBS, Ferraro's Italian. It was really good, I heard, really good. Foot spa, capriati's, regal tattoos, and some of the cookies, undefeated, men's grooming lounge, and Paradise something. But also, Shaquille O'Neal's Big Chicken is over here. I tried it once, it was okay, you know, maybe like 10 bucks for a chicken sandwich or so, something like that. You know, it's all right. Standard, I guess, restaurant pricing for a chicken sandwich around here. So, okay, and that's CVS. Went there many, many times. Now we're gonna hang a right on Harmon and then go in front of the hotel. But I'm not sure how much we can see. It may be, have those screens in front of it to avoid prying eyes, I guess, of the construction. All right, let me stay loose. Beat the radar, as they say. Oh, we gotta hustle. 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Crap. Okay, I'm across the street. And across from Virgin Hotel, you have White Castle and this sparkly 7-Eleven and Shinya Ramen and Izakaya. Now I tried Shinya. Oh, oops, sorry. Oh, where's my? Thank you. Huh. Harmon Square. Okay, so I've tried Shinya Ramen before, tasty ramen, but the downside was the music was just rock and roll loud. You know, it's like, Jesus, you guys, it's not a club. So I didn't go back there again, but oh well, c'est la vie. Okay. And also Liquor World, for those who want to get your buzz on. All right, the wind's kicked up, as always. Hang on a second. Let me just stop right here. Ouch. Okay, here's the front part of the Hard Rock, well, the part of the property of the Virgin Hotel. Now they still have the Hard Rock brand name. Whoops. They still have the Hard Rock. They still have the Hard Rock name on the hotel. I'm not surprised it's still there. Actually, I figured they would have, changed that, but oh well, who knows. Now the Hard Rock does have the Hard Rock. The Virgin will have 1,500 rooms or so. And the casino area will be run by the Mohegan something or another. So the American Indians will have their first tribal casino, I guess if you want to call it that, their first casino in Las Vegas. Okay, as you can see, we're heading down Harmon. And let's keep on going past the, now across from the Virgin Hotel, there's a place called Serene, a Las Vegas resort. Now, I have not heard anything good or bad about this place, so I have no comments. Okay, nothing about this, guys. If anyone stayed here, chime in, let us know. Okay. The Hard Rock, the Virgin. I keep calling it Hard Rock. That sign is still there. This is an interesting area. I've walked before from down here to the Strip just to see, if I could do it or not, when I was staying at the Red Roof Inn, and it's a long walk, So if you're staying, like I said, if you're staying down here, then understand that. Oh, a nice jogger. Hey, sorry, that jogging girl was pulling my eye away. So if you're staying down here, and if you're not using a car, you don't want to drive, whatever, blah blah blah, get a taxi, Uber, then you can. But it's kind of a pain in the backside, actually. So I do understand why folks want to stay on the Strip with the action. All right, cool. Here is the garage. Oh, exciting. And next up, to the left, is this place called, it's pretty big right here, right? Now, I forget, is this a hotel? Yeah, it is, sorry. Alexis Park Resort Hotel. We are happy to welcome you back. Now also another place I haven't heard any reports on. And again, if someone has stayed here or heard anything interesting, type in the comments. Because, there's so many hotels in Vegas, and especially the ones that are off the Strip, which, except for the Hard Rock, or soon to be Virgin, which reports can be few and far between. And then to the right, the place is called Harbor Island. It's one of those fully furnished apartments, or they call them a weekly, I think. I should know this stuff. They're called a weekly because if you come to Vegas and maybe you're changing your life or something, you need a place to stay, you don't want to do a hotel, you want to cook yourself. These places have, the sign says utilities, TV, high-speed internet, which who knows, right? And so on. And across from there, from Harbor Island, is this place called Americana Apartments. Now, I almost moved here, actually, when I first came to Vegas. I was looking for a place to stay, and I looked in here, but I felt weird, so I said, no, thank you. And that's how it works, right? Wherever you want to live, if you feel weird, so I'll pass on that, so just one of those things. But you get a nice view, walking in or driving into the Strip, because there are, as you can see a whole lot of things back here. Whoa. So, I never been down there before. Way back there, never tried. But there's a Cosmo down there and everything else, right? So it is interesting. Oh, they put the R in the Resorts World. Oh, I wonder if you can see it from, hold on, let's try to zoom in and see if we can, it's probably kind of fuzzy, but to the left, well, between the Encore and the Win, there's Resorts World. They put an R on there. All right. On this side. Now there's an R. Resorts World is on the sign is on the northern side of the complex, and it is sparkly and twinkly at night, but I haven't been down there. So there you go. Okay, let's keep on pressing on. And to the left, this nice, lovely building, Club Windham. Is that how I pronounce it? Windham, Grand Desert. A lovely place also. As always, any reports, let us know. Now staying here is a lot easier walk to the Strip than if you're staying at the Hard Rock or the, damn it, the Virgin. The Virgin. Staying at the Virgin? The Virgin Hotel. Actually, when I flew to Vegas, I flew on Virgin out of San Francisco, and they had a nice lounge. You know, a lounge, or I guess they not lounge, but a open area. I guess by their gates, by their sections. It was nice. I was surprised. It was really nice. The Virgin's kind of always done things pretty well, from what I remember. I got this crowd in front of me, so we're gonna go kind of slowly. And coming up on Koval and Harmon is Top Golf, which I believe is very popular. Come with your friends, hit some balls around, enjoy yourself. You know, what else could you want, right? Make this left turn, and then we'll see. Oh, pardon me. No worries. Pop, pop. Okay. All right, so here we go. Here is Top Golf. I don't know the distance from the tee-off area to the wall, and I don't know how high the fence is. But you know, it's a good place to come with your friends, get some balls, some beer. So I think they serve food also, and you can just have a grand old time down here. I gotta try it though. I think it's one of the places best to go with your friends, hang out, shoot the breeze, as they say, and hang out. It's cool, man. Really cool. Top Golf. Now, I don't know their opening hours. It's probably about 8 a.m. right now, and they're not open. Okay, so. And here's the entrance, Top Golf. And I guess that's their logo. Looks like a, golf field on a shield. All right. And behind there, the balloons. And you can see New York, off the distance. and the big MGM Grand behind it. All right, so we're gonna go to the corner down there and call it a ride. Okay, let's ride. Here's some more, now these buildings right here, I am always confused. I never really checked actually. If these are, what are these guys? This is called the International Villas. International Villas. If these are condos or hotel thing, oh, they're a condo type thing. I saw a Brillo pad box in a window, so presumably people live here on a permanent basis. I wonder how much they pay. It must be expensive though. I bet you. Okay. Australian Bee Gees. The Nights on Broadway, yeah. Do-do-do. Whoa, check it out. There's a lot of empty land here in Vegas too, you guys. People probably being held on till the price is right, so to speak. And here is a parking lot, parking garage. Exhilarating, isn't it? Exhilarating. All right, you guys, I think that will just about do it, you guys, okay? So just a quick one. Wait a minute. 15 minutes or so. Just a quick one today, this morning with this, because I had to go out early today as it's going to be 113 degrees in the afternoon, and I did not want to get burnt up today. So we're doing a bunch of rides today, see where we get to, how we get to, where we get to, how we go, where we go. I have ideas though. So this is only number one for today. So stay tuned for more of All You Can Eat Vegas. No, more of One Man, One Camera. Sorry, Derek, couldn't resist. All right, let's see. Pass by this shop, okay. Oh, there's the Motel 6. Motel 6. Now these places, I don't know, you hear weird stories about places that are cheap and on the strip of some exciting or interesting characters showing up and causing issues, so to speak. All right, anyway, that's it. So if you have any Motel 6 stories, let us know in the comments, you guys, all right? Au revoir, adios, adieu.